everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful farmhouse style ladder, and it's really easy. You just have to use Jenga pieces, but not the ones from Dollar Tree. But okay, let me show you. Let me remove this. In the end, after the DIY, I'm going to show you how I set this up in my kitchen for you to have an idea of how this looks in a farmhouse decor space. For this DIY, you need 24 Jenga pieces, but take into account that the pieces from the Dollar Tree are this size. You can see the difference. It's like the mother and the son. So I bought these pieces at Family Dollar. You pay $5 for 49. So besides building this ladder, I had enough pieces to make this tray shadow box. I say tray shadow box because I'm going to use it both ways. I like multi-purposing things, and I'm planning on doing something for Easter with this. It's going to be another video. I'm going to include these pieces. But at some point after Easter, I may remove everything and use it as a tray for decoration on a table, maybe, I don't know. But I'm happy that it can be used in different ways. This piece of decor that I'm going to make is going to be this way. But then I can make another shadow box in this position, this orientation. So I love the possibilities that this brings. Okay, easy, quick. You have to adhere, to glue all the pieces on the side that are, I think it's 8 on each side, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on each side. Then you have to glue 8 pieces in groups of 2 each, and adhere them when 2 of the pieces from the sides meet. And that's mainly it. I then stained the pieces with the liquid shoe polish that you can find at Dollar Tree. This is from Family Dollar. There was no brown liquid shoe polish at Dollar Tree the day I went, but you can buy, I paid $2 for this one. You can buy it for $1 at Dollar Tree. So I stained everything once it was glued. I tried with glue gun. No way, no way. It started to fall apart, so I thought, no, I had to use E6000. I wanted to finish it quickly and not to have to wait for the glue to be, I don't know how you call it, solidify, I don't know, sorry, I mean, inventing a word, but you know what I mean. So that's why I started with glue gun, but it was not working. So I ended up using E6000. You can also add those popsicle sticks to make it more sturdy, but I didn't want to add them in this case because when you place it on the wall, you can notice that there is something here and here. So it's not going to be moved. It's glued with this 6000. It's not going to fall apart. So I stained it with this shoe polish, And then with a dry brush I painted some white marks on the wood to make it look more weathered. And that's it. That's all I did for this ladder. It took me about an hour to finish it. So, and maybe less, but let's say an hour. And I spent just less than $5 because I could make the other piece. And I already had this, and I already had the white paint. It's acrylic, so it's a really inexpensive pieces of decor. I haven't seen anything like this anywhere, but I can imagine that if there is any store who is selling something like this, you would have to pay, like, let's say $29.99 plus shipping. So I really like how it looks with the little, these are from Dollar Tree also, these little kitchen towels. And it's another piece that I added to, my kitchen decor. I had to cut a piece of the kitchen towel because it was too long. I didn't want it to be that long, so I cut a little piece from each one of them, and that's how I finished my ladder. So I hope you like this DIY. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Please become a subscriber if you are not one already. Ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. I'm also on Instagram if you want to follow me there. And hope to see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.